Yeah, good morning. Welcome to today's analysis. We'll be starting with the XAU USD as usual. So you go to the top here and see on the XAU USD, as you can see on the chart. And so you should be looking out for more buys on this pair due to the um, change of trend to the uptrend. So you should be expecting more buys to happen on that pair. Now, as you can see clearly, it's been buying the whole time, but I said if market comes to this point, you can look for an entry to keep pushing the buy, which market did not come to yesterday. So just keep waiting. GBPJPY, if you check the daily time for GBPJPY, you will see market sold bought to this point and just crossed over. So more buy still happening. I was expecting a sell from here, but the sell did not happen. So if you go to the 1 hour and see there's no entry for a sell um, on it yet. So if you check on the Euro USD, you check the daily time from Euro USD, you can see market has been buying to buy to this point, then the sell will start happening. There is no entry for the buy yet. Just keep pushing, but no clear entry for it yet. So just keep waiting. On GBP USD, if you check the daily time frame, you can see market has been buying the whole time. If you check 4 hours, you can see more buys happening. 1 hour as well, more buys are still happening. Let's move further. Check the AED JPY. AED JPY, check the daily time frame. Market bought to this point already, so a sell should start happening for here, but there have not been any clear entry from that point to sell. On NZD-JPY, check the daily time from NZD-JPY. You can see market has been buying the whole time after respecting this other block here. So if you see on the 4 hours, more buys happening. On the 1 hour as well, more buys still happening. So we should just be waiting for a good entry before we can join the buy, can join the trend. So if you see on the NZD-JPY, it's giving the same thing like AUD-JPY as well. So if you see on the 4 hours, more buys happening, 1 hour, more buys but no entry. On Euro GBP daily time frame, you can see it's buying. It will buy to this point, then a sell will start happening. If you check the 4 hours, there is no entry for a buy yet. Okay, it's considered this place other block here. Was this other block from 1 hour or was it from the other trend line? Let me see something. Okay, it was not from 1 hour. It was from the other bigger time frame, which was 4 hours. So we should just keep waiting to see what happens. If you check on 15 minutes, see that was from 4 hours. There was no break of structure to continue the trend. So now if you check CAD JPY on CAD JPY daily time frame, there is no entry on 4 hours, no entry as well. On 1 hour, there is no entry. On GPCHF daily time frame, you can see market bought to this point already. If it breaks out, you should be looking out for more buys. You can see there's no entry for a buy yet, so just keep waiting. So there was no good trade for us today this week, but that's still a good sign. It's better to be patient than to rush it. So on 4 hours now for the AUD you can see market just respected this point. So you can go to 15 minutes and wait for a change of character, which happened at this point here. This is the other block you should look out for. Market never came to this point, so expect this change of character. Just kept going down. This is a sign that the sell is not going to hold. It's going to break out of it and keep pushing up. Now, AUD card, if you check the daily time frame, market has been buying the whole time. So 4 hours, it broke out of this zone on 4 hours. And on 1 hour, it kept pushing up. So if you check the 30 minutes, you can see more buys happening. 15 minutes as well, more buys still happening. On USD-JPY daily time frame, check the daily time frame, you can see market has been buying the whole time. So on 4 hours, more buys are happening, kind of making a reversal for a sell. If market should come to this point here, respect to this other block, then we should look for entry on 15 minutes to sell the market down. So on USD card, check the USD card daily time frame. On daily time frame, you can see market came to respect to this other block here. You check on 4 hours, you can see it's already making a turn down. On 1 hour, there was a change of character here, but market did not respect the other block. It kept pushing. This clearly means that zone might not hold. It should be looking out for a buy soon on that pair. On CHF JPY daily time frame, you can see market has been buying the whole time. 4 hours more buys happening, and 1 hour as well more buys happening, but no entry for now. On Eurocard daily time frame, you can see market broke out of this already, so you should expecting more buys on this, and there is no entry for now, so just keep waiting. On CAD CHF, as you can see, the daily time frame market has been kind of selling to sell to this point. If you go down to the 4 hours, you can see there's a change of character that happened. Just market should come respect this other block, and we should look for entry on 15 minutes to sell the market downward, which did not happen. On Euro CHF daily time frame, you can see market bought to this point already, so we expect a sell from this point, which there have not been any change of character yet on 1 hour. There's a change of character on 1 hour, so just keep waiting. On AED CHF, if you take the daily time frame, you can see market has been buying the whole time. If you check the 4 hours, more buys happening. There's another block I was expecting it to respect, but no respect it to just broke out of it. So if you go down to 15 minutes, there should be a change, there should be a break of structure that will push you up. There was no clear break of structure here, so we'll just keep waiting and see what happens during the day. On the GBP-AUD daily time frame, you can see there is market has been selling to sell to this point, then a buy will start happening. If you see clearly on the 4 hours, more sales pushing it down. If you can use this to entry on 4 hours. Well, let's go to 1 hour and see if this is clear enough. We can use it as entry. So you can see this should be a break of structure here. Should be a break of structure here. It should be a BS here. Then if you look at this line now, this trend line, this is the first bounce and this is the second bounce. The market should come this far. We should look for a sell from here. So I should just set this alarm here and wait for it to come. Then I'll keep you guys posted when it comes to that point, so we can sell from it. GBP CAD. The GBP CAD daily time frame, you can see market break out of this zone already, so more buys happening. On 4 hours, more buys were not entry. 1 hour. Okay, this is the 4 hours trend. Wait for it to come. If it comes to this, look for entry on 15 minutes to buy the market more. On NZD USD, the same thing, we're looking for entry from this side for 4 hours. So if it comes that low, we can buy from here. Hope you are with me. On NZD CHF daily time frame, more buys happening here, but there's no entry for now. Same thing on 1 hour. So if you can see daily time frame for the NZD CHF, it should come to respect it, but no respect it just kept going up. You see on the 4 hours, it's going up. So we can look at this point for entry. Market comes to this point, so we'll look for entry on 15 minutes to push it down. So this should be our entry on 15 minutes. So on Euro JPY, daily time frame, see the daily time frame. Market has been buying the whole time. So 4 hours, more buys happening, but no entry. 1 hour as well, no entry. On NZD USD, market has been buying but no entry, same as 1 hour and same as 4 hours. NZD CAD daily time frame, it has been buying the whole time. So on 4 hours, expecting it to reverse to this point and we'll look for entry on 4 hours. On GBP NZD daily time frame, market has been buying the whole time, kind of making a reversal a bit to this point. But that's not clear yet, so we don't have any clear entry on this trade. Euro NZD daily time frame, that market has been bought to this point already, making a reversal, which on daily 1 hour time frame there was no change of character. Just keep waiting to see what happens. On Euro AUD, if you check the daily time frame, market is making a reversal to this point, which is on 4 hours. That's the other block on 4 hours. So if market comes to this point, you look for entry on 15 minutes. On USD CHF daily time frame, check the daily time frame. You can see on the daily time frame for USD CHF, market respected this other block already making a reversal down. Check the 4 hours. This is the other block on 4 hours. So if it comes to that point, you look for entry for 15 minutes to sell the market. So that will be all for today. Thank you all for tuning in. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.